Hey, hello everyone. Again, I'm come back with some interesting online courses. Today, we will discuss about the seven best natural language processing courses, and these all the courses are the free, and they are all the courses links given in the description box. Go and check out there also after the ending of this video, and more you want more information about the online courses, and then subscribe our channel Course Avatar and click on the bell icon so always we get updated whenever I upload the new video. Anyway, let's get started. So our first course is a data science course, is a natural language processing course is in the Python. It's provided by the Udemy. Here you will learn about the natural language processing and why it is used you and cheaper the decryptions and algorithms, and you will learn to create the spam dedication algorithms in Python. You will learn to Latin semantic analysis in Python. This course is for the people who wish to learn machine learning, and also for the people who are comfortable with the coding in Python and want to learn more about the NLP. Then they definitely go for this course. Go and check out the link given below in the description box. So our next course is a natural language processing is a specialization course by it's provided by the Coursera, and here you will learn about all the related to NLP related to the concepts. And you in this course, after completing the course, you are very capable for the using NLP in various cases like creating chatbot boots and sentiment analysis and many more things. In this course you're gonna learn about how to word embedding and macro models, dynamic programming, and can you use for implementing functions like autocorrect. And you will learn entity recognitions and text generation using recurrent neural networks, RNN. This course is as an advanced level NLP course. So for some prerequisites and like machine learning and DL frameworks, you have to be understand already, and you these things are required like linear algebra and calculator are required for to learn this course. If you are interested and you want to improve your NLP concepts and you want to learn many new things in NLP, then going for this course, go and check out the link given below. Our third course is a complete NLP course. Is a tutorial course in the Python. It's on the YouTube channel Galli, on Galli's channel. And here you will learn all about the natural processing while the taking help of the Python, the major concepts of the NLP like word vectors, spell corrections, and attentions. You will learn too about the back of words along with their examples, and you learn about the regex in Python, the various techniques like spell the correction and more about this course is especially for the big. So our next course is an introduction to the net NLP by the migrate learning by the migrate learning. Here you will learn is an introductory course of the NLP, and you will learn many related concepts like tokenizations and laminations and modeling techniques in an NLP, and removing the stop words. In this course, you are gonna cover topics like Python, text blog, and sentiment analysis and steaming and laminations. You will learn about the laminations, tokenizations, how you can implement them, and to make the recommendation of system, chat boots, and many more things. This course is also for the beginners. For as just a beginning, they are just beginning the natural learning programming. They can definitely go for this course. This is the best course for them. Go and check out the link given below. Our fifth one course is a language processing is a depth learning course in Python. This is also provided by the Udemy. Here you will learn about to how to you drive and implement the word embeddings and Glovi and word V2Z. You will learn about the sentiments analysis. You will learn how you can how native spelling optimization can be done in word to wake. And this course is for the people who wish to create the excellent natural network architectures. But you should take this course if you are familiar with the coding Python and NumPy coding and probability, taking the derivatives also. This is the also for the beginner, but they have to be in our knowledge of the Python coding and NP coding. And this is also for good for the intermediate level of the students. They can also go for this course, the best course for them, of course. Go and check out the link given below. So our next course is a natural language processing in Texner Flow. Here you will learn the topics like sequence models, word embedding, and sentiments in text. You will learn to how to you can apply the concepts like LSTMS, GRUS, and RNS in TensorFlow. You will learn to represent the text as a vectors and perform the tokenizations. And this course is advanced level course of NLP course. You should be very comfortable in the coding in Python and in TensorFlow also. If you are familiar with these two courses, language programmings, and then you can definitely go for this course. Go and check out the link given below. It's provided by the Coursera. This course is provided by the course. So our last course is about the deep learning advanced natural language processing course and RNNS. In it's provided by the Udemy. This course teaches you the advanced NLP concepts like attentions and memory networks, CNNs, and RNS. And here you have topics covered like topics attentions, memory networks, TensorFlow, and key search basics. And you will learn to make text classification systems that you can use for the sentiment analysis and spam detections. And you will learn about how you can deploy the machine learning algorithms from the beginning. And this course is for the people who wish to learn natural language processing in depth, and also for the students and also for the professionals at the same time, to learn the deep learning and artificial intelligence and data science and machine learning can also go for this course. This course also benefits them so much. If you learn this course, go for this course. Go and check out the link given below in the description box and register your. So here all the courses are ended, and the links of the all the courses are links given in the description box. Make sure you go and check out at that, and for which course you're gonna enroll yourself, comment it that also, and click on the subscribe button and bell icon so that you get updated more about the online courses. Thanks for watching. Goodbye, all of you.